Hi, this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I am doing another fall mani and I'm doing this for photos today because we are going to do family pictures quickly this afternoon, early evening after I do another photo shoot this afternoon. So I'm going to do my nails so it kind of coordinates. It doesn't match perfectly, but I think it'll be fine. And I'm using Rose Ombre. And I think was that from last year's fall? And I'm going to do an accent with New York Minute, which is more closer to the color that I'm wearing, and Plaid About You. And I haven't decided how many nails I'm going to do with the plaid. I only have one out, but I haven't sealed up my pack yet. So, and I cut my nails, and I didn't realize that then I wouldn't get the lighter ombre part as much, but that's fine. Oh well. So this is the old school sheer. The set is one of like the old school glitter ombres like they used to do, like nuclear fusion and stuff where there's no solid base coat first. It's like just the glitter design. So it makes it sheer, but I'm definitely not going to, I'm actually not layering these. I'll be changing my nails not too long from now because I have a vendor event next weekend. And I gotta get all my sets in order. So this week my goal is this weekend I would like to finish catching up on mailing. I've pulled a bunch of sets of people who claimed loyalty card sets, and I need to get those mailed out, the last group. And then once I do that, I need to update my inventory for my vendor event and get all organized for that. And once I have that, then I'll figure out what mani I'm doing, because I like to do a mani that I have at least 3 or 4 sets so that I can sell that to people. All right, we're gonna go to New York Minute. I know it's not a perfect match with Rose Ombre, but I think it's close enough for throwing a solid in here for this mixed look. I don't think I'm even going to bother to double most of these. I think I'll just use a couple layers of top coat to protect them. But I do need to get this to last so they don't look awful for pictures. But I am shooting. I don't usually do manis in the middle of the day because then it's hard to not mess them up. I tend to mess them up after I put a top coat on it. I don't know if other people have, and then I mess up like the top coat basically. So I do love this set though. New York Minute, I haven't really worn it a ton and I don't know why. So now I've been wearing it quite a bit lately. Well, I wore it with my what month was it? September sub box. That was the business, like corporate work looking sets. I threw that on with one of those sets, go with the workflow, and I really liked it. So bringing it back with this one. And I actually paired it with the little animal set. No, not the animal set, the sweater set. Too. So it wasn't a perfect match either, but I still liked them together. But anyway, I wanted a darker color with that sweater looking set. Cozy Knits, I think is what it was called. I got it just a little bit over my proximal fold here. And I'm wondering if I want to clean that up or just leave it. I'll try to. It tends to get like worse sometimes. Okay. All right, let's grab this one. We got a ton of snow. So it was like 75, 77 on what, Tuesday, and then Wednesday it started like in the high 60s at night and then slowly dropped all day long. It ended up in the 50s, I believe, and then Thursday morning, Halloween morning, it was in the 30s, and it started snowing in the morning, this big, wet, heavy snow, and snowed probably till 3. There was like, a lot of you know, there was tons of power outages. Stacy lost power, I think she said, for 12 hours. We didn't lose power, but the high school my kids go to lost power, so they got released early, and but then had to drive home in the snow, so that was fun. But everybody made it home, and it was just yucky and cold. And now it is still we still have snow on the ground, which I was hoping it'd be gone because I have a photo shoot today for some friends of ours, but we will make it work. And then, so there's snow on the ground and it's in the 50s today, but it's sunny right now. And I don't know if it might cloud up, but, and then tomorrow is supposed to be rainy and cold in the low 50s. Not looking forward to that. I'm supposed to have another photo shoot. So I was gonna do this plaid on these nails. And then my other option is I was thinking of doing plaid on the New York Minute set 2, but I don't know. I cut my nails off and I just forget that then I don't get as much ombre in the set. They were pretty long, but that's okay. I prefer them this length. And okay. I like the subtle, so I love doing ombres underneath nail art designs. And with this one being so dark, I know it's subtle, so it's not going to be as easy to be seen, but I still like the look. God, maybe I should have done the favorite flannel. Because I don't get a ton of this plaid look because my nails are short, but that's okay. I think it works. All right. I was trying to do a quick mani. Like I said, I need to go do another I have a photo session this afternoon here in a little bit. And I need to eat, grab a little light lunch before I go. I have Oliver at the groomer, so he's going to be all trimmed up before our photos. I just realized all of a sudden that I was running out of weekend days that I can do photos for my family. And Tia works every Sunday. And then next, there's going to be play stuff. My vendor event is next weekend, and then the following 2 weekends, Tia's going to be working at the play at the high school. Our high school's doing Footloose, so I'm just kind of super pumped about that. I think it'll be really cute. Footloose the musical, which I have not seen or heard music from. No clue how it's going to differ from the movie, but I think it's kind of fun. I was talking to some of the kids, the younger. So with 2 in high school, my freshman has friends who are doing theater now, and I know we were talking that they haven't even seen the movie. My kids have seen the movie, but not, you know, it's hard to, I know we have them watch like awesome, what we call, our classic movies that we think are awesome, and they always think they're lame. So whatever. What does that generation know, huh? I don't think they hated Footloose. I don't really remember what their reaction was. But we watched like Footloose and we've watched like Back to the Future. I think several of the Back to the Futures when they were younger. I remember we watched Princess Bride with them. Like I said, I don't think they appreciated the movies as much as we do. But do you guys have any like old movies that you have had your kids watch? I had them watch Breakfast Club and they really thought that was stupid and boring and had no idea why. Like, what was so good about it? Which I still like Breakfast Club. Of all the like John Hughes type Brat Pack movies, I think Breakfast Club probably aged the best, if you know what I mean, because I think so many of the other ones did not age well. Pretty much all of the other ones didn't age very well. I have not rewatched some of those. Um, but the amount of inappropriate like racist stuff and sexist stuff and just I mean pretty much that's like the whole just like Pretty in Pink and 16 Candles, like they're all just like I said, they're different. They hit different now too as being the parent, I think, when you watch movies. If I flip this, then it's gonna be different ombre. So we'll do this. I think I lowered it. That's too low. I'm hoping my thumbs are short enough to get two strips done with two nails done with one strip. I don't believe I've ever said that right. Okay, here. That's looking good. I can do that. Perfect. All right. Barely. Okay. All right, let's clean these guys up. And then it's going to be this. This is our super fast mixed mani, like I said, for pictures. And then I have to figure out, I'm either going to do Christmas sets or the classic, like, Tokyo lights or something. I'll gotta see what I have. I'd like to find something I have an open set of that I could pay, that I don't have to use a full set so I can sell it. Usually what I wear is a good example, so people like that. They like to see it and then they're like, oh, do you have that? So it's an easy, I just have to figure out what that is. I have to organize. I have like a box of nails I haven't even like gone through it and like put in its spot. I of course procrastinated and left Advent till the last couple days. That's not true. I'd been getting stuff for it and like figuring out what to do, but actually putting it together I did last minute. Because I had it all in a pile. But that's pretty much on par for me. So, but anyway, we have lots of cool stuff going to be coming out, I think, in November. I know Winter Catalog will be launching in November. I think the beginning of November is what our calendar looked like. I can't remember the order of hold on, I want to look because now I don't remember what the order of things. We got an email and I took a screenshot. So Northbound is what just came, Northern Bound, I guess, is what just came out on Friday. And that was just the two strips with the accent pack with the little animals. And, oh, if you didn't see my post, I did post what Animals Color Street says they are. and it's a deer, I guess, or reindeer, you could say. And so a deer, a rabbit, a squirrel, not a fox, but a squirrel, and this last one, a bear. So I know a lot of people said the squirrel is a fox, which it does look like a fox. It does have a big bushy tail, but so do squirrels. So I don't know, but it's, the colors are not realistic because obviously. And then some stylists are thinking that the bunny looks like a llama or a kangaroo, actually. So I have no idea. But all right. So Northern Bound, then it looks like the next launch is Winter Elegance, which is the winter catalog. Holiday bundles are coming, something called Winter Retreat. And then, of course, there's going to be some stuff for Thanksgiving, Cyber Weekend, because it's Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Monday. So lots of stuff coming up. Very exciting. And once I see that all the stuff got billed for, what's it called? For subscription box, I will post the December subscription box too. I just don't like posting it before things get charged. So, all right, this is my next mani. Like I said, Rose Ombre, Plaid About You, New York Minute. All right, you guys have a great day or night. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.